Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Scotty Thompson, and assistant coach Richard Del Rosario of Barangay Ginebra. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach Chard, ninth playoff series against Meralco. And tulad nung nasabi mo sa akin kanina na the familiarity just makes things tougher for both teams. What were the challenges posted by Meralco tonight that you want to discuss and practice tomorrow to strengthen your chance of sweeping them again?
Well, it was really a tough game, no? Especially because Meralco is a very good defensive team. They made it difficult for us to really execute our offense. So yun yung challenge namin, how we can stay disciplined with our execution. They do a lot of things that take you out of the execution. But again, I think the players really, yung grit lang nila talaga ang nagpanalo dito. And also, we challenged them because last game against them without an import, we got clobbered in the boards. No? So I think now we did a better job against Meralco in getting rebounds. But it's going to be tougher. They know what we're doing, very familiar, and their import looks like he's already recovered from the back injury. Gave us a lot of problems, and the guards got into the paint, so we still have a lot to work on defensively.
Thank you.
Sorry, kasi Coach Tim, wala lang voice, that's why I'm here.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Scotty, conference high, 23 points, and 3 out of your 4 highest scoring games kalaban Meralco. Is there anything particular against Meralco na parang mas maganda yung shooting or yung scoring game mo?
First and foremost, all glory to God sa panalong ito. And so lang i-greet also yung wife ko, family ko, yung mga anak ko. And yun, I think yung familiarity and nagkataon lang din siguro na tuwing playoffs, no, kami nagtatapat against Meralco, and we know grabe yung defensive team nila, no. And coming to this game, sabi nga ni Coach Richard, we have to battle their physicality, no. Kaya yun, basta playoffs lang as a veteran, kailangan ko lang din maging ready and step up yung mga elimination game ko coming sa playoffs.
Now, Scotty, hindi lang yung offense mo yung maganda ngayong game. It was an all-around game for you. And every time nga na makukuha ka ng rebound or there's a hustle play for you, na-excite, sumisigaw yung crowd. Is this a factor or does it motivate you to grab another rebound because, again, yung nagagawa din ng crowd?
Overall naman, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko maging aggressive both ends, no, offense and defense, but nagkataon din talaga na nasushoot yung mga tira ko, and credit din sa mga teammate ko na nahanap ako. No, we moved the ball well. I think 5 guys sa amin na nasa double figures, so I think malaking bagay sa amin yun, sign sa amin yun na talaga yung bola gumagalaw sa offense namin, and yun.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media. Anyone?
Scotty, congrats. 23.7 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals. All around numbers again for you. Scotty, usually pag playoffs talaga lumalabas yung laro mo. Tonight was no different. Yun lang. Just your thoughts.
Yun, as a veteran nga, sabi ko kanina, kailangan ko mag-step up, no, during playoff time, kasi alam natin kung gaano kahirap manalo dito sa playoff. Every team, sobrang hirap kahit sino makatapat namin. So, yun lang. I think, not just me, no, lahat naman kami, yung veterano, magaganda yung nilaro kasi alam namin kung ano yung, anong stake ng game na to, kung saan kami dadalhin, no, para makarating sa finals. And ito yung start, no.
Scotty, yun nga, lagi kayo naglalaban ng Meralco sa playoffs pero meron ba kayong parang hindi pa kayo, may bagay ba na hindi pa kayo napipigure out sa Meralco with all these playoff matchups na nangyayari sa inyo?
Sabi mo nga, lagi kami, so nagkakaamuyan na talaga, medyo alam na namin yung players' tendencies, tendencies. I think it's up na lang sa mga sa amin, no, kung paano namin i-execute lahat ng game plan, kasi andyan naman na yung lahat so yun na lang yung key kung paano namin i-execute hard, no? Especially coming sa defense ng Meralco na sobrang aggressive and physical.
Coach, last game niyo po of the elimination round was against the same team, Meralco, and most of the players were in load management or konti lang yung minutes na nilaro nila that game. Coach, how big was that considering na medyo matagal yung pahinga nila? Was there any concern on the coaching staff's end na baka kalawangin ba or buti nag-show up positively dito sa game 1?
I think that was huge because we were able to rest yung mga starters namin, yung main guys, and we were able to prepare well. Na-balance namin yung rest at saka preparation for them because we expect this series, of course, against Meralco to go 3 games. I mean, yun ang lagi namin expectation. Of course, if we can win the next game, then good. But again, you're talking about playing every other day. So, crucial yun. And then, we will take whatever advantage we can get against Meralco. As sinabi nga ni Scotty, they were a very physical team. They're very disciplined also in their execution. So, and it's nakita nyo naman, a very emotional game also from both teams. Lahat talaga gusto manalo. So, kailangan talaga yung rest is as important as the preparation on the court.
For you, Scott, same question. How was that last game na madami kang minutes to rest? And, did it show up big considering na ganito yung naging performance mo today?
Yun, naging key din sa amin yun. Like Coach Richard said, nakapagpahinga kami and malaking bagay yung rest sa amin, no? Coming sa, especially playoff time, yung game every other day. So, yun nga, yung crucial sa amin yung pahinga tsaka nakakatulog ng maayos.
And that ends our post-game press conference. Congratulations, Coach Scott Yea. Good night,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.